Hi, this is Connie. Welcome to Reclaim Treasures. Today I'm doing a rooster that I got from a thrift store. It was in a very high gloss finish, so I spray painted with a primer. I painted one coat of a white chalk paint, and now I am mixing some baking soda with the chalk paint, and I'm gonna do texture finish. I'm applying it all over the rooster, and this is how it looks. When it's dry, I'm putting a clear wax all over it, because I will do an antiquing wax on top, and I want to have control over how much or how dark I want the antique wax to be. When you have the clear wax underneath, you can erase as much of the antique wax. I'm using Waverly Antique wax. I use that a lot. Sometimes I add a little bit of black paint in because it's more brown, and I want it to be more, more darker, I guess you can say. But in this case, I used it straight out from the can. I know it looks scary, guys, but trust the process. So I'm wiping as much as I want for now. And I will keep wiping until the end, until I get it to the color I would really be happy with. I want it to go down into the grooves so I can show every detail. This is a beautiful rooster, very big. It's got tons of detail on it. And I'm sure in the end you're gonna love it. It's a very cold day here in the Carolinas. We were in the 20s today, 21 at night. So now I want to take some more off. So I dip my towel in the white wax, and I'm cleaning some more of the dark wax off. I want it to lighten up. I still want the dark wax to be in the grooves so I can show off his beautiful feathers. And you can leave it as dark as you want. Take as much as you want out. You don't have to do as I do. If you don't have a dark wax, you can use paint, diluted brown paint, and it will give you the same or similar effect. That's how I end up looking. Looks like a dirty stone that's been outside for a while. If you like it, like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.